Good morning, my dear children. Let us start our class with a prayer. God, my loving Father, help me to study well. Help me to remember my lessons well. God, keep me, my parents, my teachers, my friends, and all safe in your hands. Thank you, God. Today you have science exam. We have two lessons for exam, which are the first one and second one. Okay, let us revise the lessons. First, all of you take lesson 1 in your textbook, which is our lesson 1, animals, movement and shelter. First we learned the movements in animals. In this lesson, first we learned the different types of movements in animals. First one we learned about insects. Insects, about cockroach we learned. And these all are having 6 jointed legs. And insects like lice, bedbugs and termites move on the ground with the help of their legs. And we learned some insects have wings. Cockroaches have wings to fly. Like this, we learned about insects. Next, we learned about reptiles. Reptiles like lizards and crocodiles crawl on the ground with their 4 short, stout and strong legs. The legs of crocodiles also help in swimming. And snakes, reptiles, but they have no legs. They move with the help of their scales. Lizards have tiny pads with hooks on their feet. These help them to cling on the wall and move. You might have seen the lizards moving on the wall. Then next we learned about birds, and in birds the wings are modified forelimbs. മുൻകാലുകളാണ് wings ആയിട്ട് മാറിയിരിക്കുന്നത് ബേർഡ്സിൽ. And their body has light weight which helps them to fly in the air. Hollow bones filled with air and what? Light bodies, because they have light bodies because their bones are hollow. It is filled with air. And some birds are not able to fly. Which are they? Kiwi, ostrich, penguin and emu cannot fly because they have weak wings and their body weight is high. Then ducks and swans have webbed feet to swim in water. A special type of feet ducks and swans have. Then next we learned about mammals. Who are mammals? Mammals are the animals which giving birth to the young ones and feeding the babies with the milk. They are called mammals. And most mammals move with the help of 4 legs, 2 forelimbs and 2 hind limbs. പുറകിലും 2 കാലുണ്ടാകും, മുൻപിലും 2 കാലുണ്ടാകും mammals. And they walk, run, jump with these 4 legs. Mammals such as dogs, cats, lions and cows move with 4 legs. Humans use only legs. And we are also mammals. We have 4 limbs. These are our 4 limbs and legs are our hind limbs. But we are not using these 4 limbs to walk or run. We are using only legs. Then horse and zebra have long legs to run fast. Kangaroos move by hopping. And camels have padded feet which help them to move on land. And which is the flying mammal? Bat. Vowel. Bat is the flying mammal. The forelimbs of bats are modified into wings. And aquatic mammals such as dolphins and seals have forelimbs modified into flippers. The flippers help them to swim in water. And here you can see flippers and dolphins and seals are mammals which live in water, so they are aquatic mammals. Next we learned about other animals that are amphibians. Who are amphibians? Example, frogs, toads, and they can swim both in water and on land. Their limbs help them to swim and hop. Okay. Fishes have fins to swim in water. They have boat-shaped body which help them to swim easily in water. The fins of a fish act like oars of the boat and help the fish to move. Fishes use their tail fin to change the direction, and a fish has tail and fins to move in water. A fish has fins. These are fins and tail. Fins and tail, and this tail fins help them to change the direction like in birds. Then next, what we learned? Next, multiple choice questions are given. Kangaroos move by hopping. And which is an aquatic animal? The options given: frog, dolphin, crocodile. You know crocodile. Then next we learned about homes of animals. First we learned about natural homes. Wild animals like tigers, fox and lions live in caves which are formed naturally in rocks. A lion's cave is called a den, and some animals are not making their own homes and they live in natural homes. Lion and all live in dens which are formed on rocks. Then some wild animals like zebras, giraffes, deer and elephants move in groups and rest under trees. They do not make homes. And zebras and giraffes live in the grasslands. The tall grasses help zebras to hide from their enemies. And monkeys, where do monkeys live? Live on the branches of trees. A snake lives in a hole. Birds live in nests. So they are not making home. Okay. Then homes in the ground. Animals such as rat, rabbits and mongoose dig holes in the ground. These holes are called burrows, and some animals are living in burrows. Ants live in colonies called ant hills, which are made from mud. Ant hills are made of mud. Earthworms live in the underground tunnels in soil. These are the homes of different animals. And multiple choice questions given. Which animal builds its home in the ground? Rabbit, monkey, elephant. The answer is rabbit. Ant colonies are made up of mud. Then homes of domestic animals. A cow lives in a shed. A dog lives in a kennel. A hen lives in a coop. And a horse lives in a stable. Learn these names. So all of you study this lesson well. Very simple lesson. And you have to learn the keywords of this lesson. This will come as define the following. All should learn the keywords. You are not learning keywords. Learn the keywords. Then next, let us see the exercise. First one, oral question. Name 2 domestic animals you know, and name a flying mammal, bat. Name the home of a dog, kennel. And name two birds which cannot fly. Ostrich, kiwi. You can write ostrich, kiwi. And next, C. Tick the correct options. The wings of birds are modified forelimbs. And second one, the animals which live both on land and in water are called amphibians. What are called amphibians? The animals that live both on land and in water are called amphibians. Then third one, cockroaches move with legs and wings. Then true or false? Snakes have legs. False. Rats live in burrows. False. Rats live in burrows. True. Humans use forelimbs for walking and running. False. We are not using forelimbs. Next, monkeys live on the branches of trees. True. Then very short answer questions. How do fishes move in water? Fishes have fins to swim in water. And name an animal with padded feet. Which is the animal with the padded feet? Camel. Name an animal that lives in burrow. Rabbit is the answer. Then you learn the question answers. Next is picture talk. And see the picture. Name this animal. Snake. And is it a reptile or an insect? This is a reptile. And how does this animal move? It moves with the help of scales. It moves with the help of the scales. Okay. So, all of you study this. Then next, think and answer. Frogs can move both on land and in water. How? Because their limbs helps them to move both in water and on land. Why can emu and kiwi not fly? Because their wings are very weak and they have body weight. So they cannot fly. All of you study this lesson well. Okay.